If we can take the steps to protect salmon, we take the steps necessary to protect all the other aquatic and terrestrial species in the ecosystem, including us. And that's what Salmon Safe is all about.
I think what we see today, apart from this marvelous restoration or creation, in fact, is we're probably about halfway there. We've got a construction phase to go through, and then there'll be ongoing work and monitoring and collaboration for years to come.
We truly appreciate the Salmon Safe recognition and the opportunity to share the innovation this project offers with the community and to uphold our commitment to ensuring this project goes beyond protecting Craigflower Creek watershed and enhances important salmon habitat.
It's great to see the fact that this is the very first one to be certified, first development to be certified on Vancouver Island. And we're looking forward to many more. As Teresa said, you've set the bar, you've set the leadership, so let's instill many others when we look at development proposals around Vancouver Island that they get certified as well.